Hello everyone, welcome to Shinyjohnsonart. Today in this video I am painting a winter bird in watercolor. So let's paint this cute bird today. So here I have done with winter bird painting, and now next I'm painting stem of cherry tree. So here I have left in between white space just to show the details, tiny details of the stem. So there's designs so all over the stem. So just to create that designs, the tiny details, the lines and curves on the stem. So just painting leaving white space. So this is a easy way so to just paint the stem in with shaky hands and just painting the curves. And now next I'm painting leaves of cherry. So here I'm creating by the sides of the leaves some the shapes of leaves. So just creating it while painting. So now some more leaves, painting some more leaves here. So as you can see, I am painting this in a easy technique. So just using the darker values and in between painted with lightly, so light green, so in between not painted completely. So just paint. So now next I'm painting the cherries here. So just to add a shadow over the cherries. So just painting, leaving the white space. So that is an easy technique just to show the shadow effect. And so that you can use this technique all over wherever it's there, on leaves or in on cherries. So now next I am painting the lights. So here there's tiny lights. Here I'm painting the lights in different colors. So red and yellow and purple. So here the lights are colorful lights. So these are the uh, tiny Christmas lights which are cute too. And so it's so here I am a bit fast painting with bit quick. So just finishing the lights. So here as you can see I have painted this winter bird, and these are the lights which I am painting now, and I have used black ink pen. So now here I am just finishing off with this tiny Christmas lights here, and so now with black ink pen I am just drawing the wires of the lights, and so here I am just done with this winter bird painting, and these are the backgrounds just to show the Christmas effect. So there's Christmas lights. So these lights now it looks cute after painting. So this is how you can paint a cute bird, winter bird. So beginners can try this. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and happy painting.